time which was I was explaining of Raja Mansingh Ji. Now, if we see the time of the second king, his name is actually Mirza Raja Jai Singh.
Mirza Raja. Mirza Raja.
Mirza was a title which was awarded to him by the Emperor Shah Jahan.
Okay.
Can you tell me, this was actually the same time when Taj Mahal was also being built in Agra.
Yeah.
So can you tell me that who made and decorated Taj Mahal?
I don't know exactly.
Ustad Ahmad Lahori,
Ustad Ahmad Lahori.
who came from Iran, and Isa Khan, who came from Turkey.
Yeah, I know about Isa Khan, but
So they two artists made and decorated the Taj.
Taj Mahal. Okay.
But the prior buildings which came in existence, like both the Red Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Humayun Tomb, Akbar's Tomb, they are also very beautifully decorated. Who made and decorated the prior building? The Persian artists, ones who came with Humayun and who were serving the Mughals for many generations. They now were jobless. It was also their desire to use the Mughal money for a big beautiful building. But when they became very sad, Badshah Shah Jahan also became very sad, and he called immediately the king of Jaisingh. Maharaj Jai Singh reached there, and when this problem was told to him, he said that don't worry, Basha, I will take them. So Maharaja Jai Singh Ji sent these people in Amer that now you go and decorate my house and show that what you know is special. Persian people came to this house and they said that when this Hindu Raja is giving us a big respect and he has offered his house to us to decorate. So we completely fill this house with the beauty of the Persia. Once our ancestor brought with us in India.
Okay.
And the most beautiful example, they shown on this gate. Because they were Persian, so they cannot know the way of Hindu architecture. So according to their Persian designs, they made this gate. See?
They wanted to show that they are also good in architecture.
So they made beautiful this gate. See the architecture, this is Persian. One alcove they made here, one alcove there, four alcoves they also made here. First time they chiseled the marble.
Okay.
And they made these screens. Behind the screen, the men were sitting, and from there they were observing the public. Observing the king also.
Okay.
And whenever the king was going for a battle, they were praying for the life of their husband, and when the king was coming after victory, they were throwing some flowers to welcome him.
From there only?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more thing you will notice here, that complete gate is made and decorated with the Persian design. But we in the center seeing a Ganeshji.
Yeah.
How Ganeshji came here in the center of this Muslim kind of gate?
That was actually designed by Persian. How would they know about Ganesh ji?
Actually, when they were decorating and making this house, some Rajput came here. They said that what you are doing? You are trying to convert a Hindu house and a Muslim. So they were said, no, this is not our intention. We wanted to give only our beauty. So now tell us that what do we do? So they were told that you make a Ganeshji here, so automatically it will become a Hindu house.
Okay.
They decided definitely we will make Ganeshji here, and in the center of this gate, which is completely made and decorated with the Persian design, they also did Ganeshji. But in this Ganeshji, we cannot see the beauty that we normally observe in the Ganesh. See the crown of Ganesh having 3 towers, a kind of taj they put on the head of the Ganeshji. Entire body they painted in blue color.
Yeah.
On the foot of Ganesh sits a mouse, a kind of mouse they made here. And both sides of the Ganesh sits Riddhi and Siddhi. The Devi, Riddhi and Siddhi. But how Persian people can know this deep secret? So they made 2 flower flowers. Okay?
Yeah, that.
So this was the story that Ganeshji also came in the center of this Muslim kind of gate. First time the Persian people decided when this Hindu Raja is giving us a big respect, so we also will fill this house with the beauty of the marble. First time they called here a big amount of marble, and wherever they could, they made the building, and rest marble they applied on the floor. See here. After this time, this marble came in appearance as a big industry. You know, the White House of America is also made of the marble of India.
Okay.
So first time we are seeing the marble on the earth. Come with me. And one more thing I would like to tell you that 400 years ago, when we were not having any kind of machines and any kind of chemicals, so see, we can imagine that how the artist had made these colors which are still shining.
Yeah.
There was no sort of chemical, no kind of machine was available here 400 years ago, but still they are shining. So this is the rich beauty of Jaipur also, which attracts thousands of tourists every year in this Jaipur. They are original fresco paintings, 400 years old, and to make these colors they use vegetables.
Fresco paintings.
They are fresco paintings, like green color is made from spinach, coriander, green leaves of
Okay.
mango tree, red from sugar cane, blue from indigo, and yellow from raw turmeric, sunflower. See, for last 400 years the colors are still shining. This is why Jaipur is known as shopper's paradise.
Shoppers.
You will come here and buy the blankets, the dress materials, because the colors are long lasting. कपड़े फट जाते हैं लेकिन कलर चमकते ही रहते
Colour
हैं।
चमकते
और ये सिद्धांत है कि जिसको दिखना है उसे दिखना ही पड़ेगा। और खूबसूरती आकर्षित भी करती है, तो आपके घर की एनर्जी को भी आपसे कोई नहीं चुरा सकता। Raja, when you are giving us a big respect, so the beauty of us, we also will fill in your house. So see, beautiful alcove we made here. Beautiful, the chisels are marble and made a beautiful gate also here. Alcove here, one more alcove here. And they said, Raja, we also will fill your house with the power of the paradise. Which the gemstone hides in that. So they called here big gemstones. They grinded them and with the color of gemstone they made this beautiful painting. Green is made from emerald, blue from lapis lazuli. Yeah, and gemstones are used to make these paintings. Like as a and golden color. Yes, around the gemstone. What do actually the gems desires? It desires to be studded in gold only. So they applied real gold also around these gemstones colored painting. See that real gold is still shining.
Yeah.
And it is known, it is actually believed in Persian or in Islamic culture that sitara is the name of the most beautifully attractive thing. So they made a kind of sitara. Sitara can attract the attention of anyone towards it. So they made a kind of sitara on the floor. See? This sitara is continuously attracting the energy or the power of the blessings of this gemstone color. Whoever passes through this area, he also takes this energy. He also is blessed with this energy. So I have seen repeating tourists also through this port. I think whenever they come here and they definitely get some energy. So traveling is also a kind of source of gaining many kind of energy. So first time, when the Persian artist called a big amount of marble here, they decided, Raja, we will fill the beauty of marble completely in your house. And very big part of this area we are seeing, I mean big part of a Hindu house, first time we are seeing, which is
This much of marble.
made of marble. Otherwise, marble always was a very respected stone. It was always used in the making the statues of god and goddesses.
Yeah.
But this Persian people said, Raja, we will fill your house with the beauty of the god. And see over there, they made the Sheesh Mahal. Here they made Sukh Mandir. The problem was here because this Rajasthan was completely a desert area. If we are seeing some greenery on the mountain, they were actually special seeds. They had been called in India and they were spread over these mountains. ये सब आपके रशिया से आए थे।
रशिया।
तो ये किसी भी प्रकार के मौसम में अपने आप को जीवित रख सकते हैं। जैसे आपका विलायती बबूल है, धौंक का पेड़ है। ये दो तो ऐसी प्रजाति है कि बारिश ना हो तब भी एयर से मॉइस्चर लेकर अपने आप को जीवित कर पाते हैं।
और एकदम मतलब
तो यहाँ पर एक ग्रीनरी आई। अन्यथा यहाँ पर केवल बैरन हिल्स के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं। तो देख रहे हैं कितनी खूबसूरती बना। तो सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये थी कि बाबर के बारे में ये बताते हैं, एक एग्जांपल और देता हूँ कि बाबर में इतनी शक्ति थी कि वो रेत के टीले को दौड़ करके चढ़ जाया करते थे। अपने दोनों कंधों के ऊपर 2 हट्टे कट्टे लोगों को लेकर के साथ थे। लेकिन बाबर अगर नहीं लड़ पाए थे तो किससे? उस गर्मी से जो कि रेगिस्तान में बहा था। इसीलिए उन्होंने लाहौर में पहला जन्नत का बगीचा बनाया था, जो कि आज भी मौजूद है वहाँ पर, आराम बाग या राम बाग के नाम। वो भी एक कहानी है, मैं आपको यहाँ बताऊँगा। लेकिन मैं अभी आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ जो इस महल की सबसे बड़ी समस्या थी वो थी गर्म हवाएँ। लू बहुत भयंकर लू चलती थी। तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज रिंग्स, और दे वर एक्चुअली हैंगिंग कर्टेन्स मेड ऑफ ग्रास रूट,
Made of?
grass root, khaskhas, and
Okay.
servants were throwing water through the bucket, and they were becoming wet. And when the hot air was blowing from here, it was making this area very fresh and cool out. So Raja and Rani were standing there summertime. It is summer. Persian artists, because they came to this Hindu house, they did not know the way of decoration of Hindu architecture. So first of all, they applied plaster of Paris, and they erected this Persian design,
That.
like wine bottle, bowl, jar, glass.
Okay.
Okay, come with me. And also they had filled the real gemstone colors in it. But one day in future, this news provoked the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb that being my own vessel, Raja Jai Singh, you are trying to use the power of gems. He may destroy this house. So Raja Jai Singh ji scratched all these colors. Recently, the king of Ratlam, Pushpendra Singh ji, they came here and they repainted it. I know him personally because he is also my equivalent tourist guide. I mean, he also became a tourist guide of Government of India.
Okay.
So his training was of the contemporary time. So they were actually sitting here rule the day and they were filling these colors. This is the work of a king. And see, what was the thing when the festival was coming like Diwali, Dussehra, Tej and Gangaur, it was also bringing some kind of heavy problems for the women. Can you tell me what kind of problem the festivals were bringing with them for the women?
No idea.
Because king was saying that our queens are goddess. So load them with the kilo of gold and jewelry and heavy dresses. So wherever she will roam, she will bless every part of this palace. So for her comfort, because she was wearing very heavy dresses, so it was very difficult for her to walk continuously. So for her comfort, this special chair was made. This is made of sandalwood. She was sitting in it, and two girls were pulling the chair in different part of the palace. Give me your camera. I take the short photo of this chair, so everyone can see it. Okay, take it.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot.
And see, one side they made beautiful pottery design, one side the candle in design. On the ceiling they applied the glasses, around the glasses, see beautiful decoration they also give. The queens, when they were walking from here, they can see their beautiful image also in it. I mean colorful image.
Restricted area.
Decorating this Hindu house, they said that when king says that he gets all his power from his goddess queen, so now Jai Singh ji is not present here. He is supervising the work of Taj Mahal. His two queens are alone here, so we will please them and will try to get their blessings for us also. So how they can please her? They said that Rani, we will give a kind of gift. The gift will make you compelled and you will appreciate us. If we could get appreciation from a,
It would be a kind of blessing for them.
it will be a blessing for the Persian people. So what did they do? Behind that wall, sir, they made a water tank. And whenever it was raining, they were storing the rainwater in the tank. And sometime in summertime, the servants were also filling the tank with the water. You can see a marble slab over there. On the marble, there is a special design. When the water was flowing through the marble, it was touching the design and some drops of water were jumping in air like a spring. And see around it, you will see so many small falls. Air was coming here. It was touching the jumping drops of water, was becoming cool. And when a cool air was appearing here, it was coming here, it was feeling that a ventilator is working there. And with the help of these four rings, they were hanging a swing. Rani can sit in it and can enjoy the cool air in
Cool
the
air.
summer.
Okay, yeah.
So Rani was continuously appreciating that, wow, beautifully artist, you have made a beautiful gift for me. And see one more thing. You will observe here that there is a special design. This design is known as a Lahariya design. Okay, can you tell me the meaning of mujra?
Yeah, that kind of.
If you are saying this, that it is a dance. Shah Jahan went in Lahore to present a mujra to his mother.
Then it must be something else only.
What it can be?
Mujra, maybe a kind of gift, present.
It is a kind of respect. During paying the mujra, you just lean your head down and 3 times you
Salam.
wave your hands like this, and this is called mujra.
Okay.
Understand? Were gaining victories and victories and victories and victories also, and they were becoming the emperor of this entire Asia.
Asia.
And they had said that really we have come to know that this country is really powerful. And the Persian people who were occupied to decorate this house, the Persian people had decided to decorate this palace with a paradise garden.
Paradise Garden.
They were saying that this is a Rajput family which is completely sacrificing themselves in the services of Mughal. So this house deserves a paradise garden. So, but if they will make this paradise garden in open, which is also known as Jannat, so this house may become a fun. People can say that you brought Jannat also in a Hindu house. What kind of Rajput you are? So they said no. This kind of problem we cannot leave behind the king of Amir. We will make a paradise garden in this Hindu house, but we will hide it.
Okay, that no one can see it.
No one can see it.
Okay.
But it will work like a paradise. It is actually kind of garden. In the technique of this paradise garden, we see a small pond in the center.
Yeah.
Okay, and around this pond, 4 small garden in each corner we see. You can see the 2 domes over there. They are water tanks. So a pipeline is coming through this area, and whenever they were opening the handle of the line, fountains were flowing here.
Okay.
So everywhere water was flowing in this garden. So any kind of heat, it was making cool in half an hour up to 15 to 20 degrees centigrade. So a kind of relief, big relief was appearing in this environment. So this garden is known as Garden of Paradise.
Paradise.
But it was very difficult to hide it. So Persian people actually called the carpet people who were jobless also during the time of Taj Mahal. They also brought their beautiful designs, and one design of the carpet was chosen. And the design was decorated on this gate. This gate is made of sandalwood and decorated with ivory.
Ivory.
And they chosen only small part, the upper part of this design, and the same design they applied also.
The same design is here. Okay. That same on the gate. Exactly same. Okay.
गेट का डिजाइन था छोटा सा, वो डिजाइन नहीं बना हुआ।
Okay. That is.
ऊपर जाएंगे। Now you have conquered this secret.
Yeah.
ये जंगल का। हाँ, we will go upside.
तब ऊपर से ये क्लियर ये डिजाइन दिखेगा।
Come with me.